Our application is called the Home Decoration Image Retrieval. Most websites, when searching for images, normally just search for the objects. Our application not only utilizes the object as a consideration, but it also looks at other factors in the image search, such as color, texture, and as well as other related objects. The application's main purpose is to recommend home decoration ideas by finding similar images that the users are working with. Our application not only searches for similar images, it also recommends links for purchasing some of the furniture. And now, Kay will guide you through creating your account and on how to use the image recommendation.
Thanks, David. So now let's create a new user using the sign-up form. Test user, test password as our password, and just to verify our password, we'll have to type it again. So click sign up, and now you can see that we are a registered user. And it automatically takes us to the login form. So test user, test password to log in. And now we have access to the rest of the website. Now let's go through the predict page where we can actually get similar images. So there are two main methods. You can either choose an image that we already have here, or you can choose one from your own computer. So for example, let's take this image and let's submit it. Now you can see if you scroll down what our similar images are going to be like. And under each image, you can see, hey, I want to buy a couch. I want to buy a TV from this image. You can click on the link, open like a new window just for this purpose. And then you can see an Amazon page to buy a couch. If we go back to the predict page, let's say you were to use something that isn't a JPEG or a PNG image. Let's use like this .heic file, which is also an image of me. Now you can see this error. You can also choose one of the sample images that we already have. Let's take, for example, this cozy room. And we can, once again, generate similar images and get links to buy couches, vases, or tables. I'll now hand it off to John to talk about the comment page and also the profile page.
Thank you, Gleb. Our application is not only used for just simple searches, but allows users to leave comments that others users can see. The comments can be links to buy furniture if you are a contractor or a person who want to update their house. Also, feel free via comments to leave suggestions on how to improve the website. We can make comment with users, and after that, we can edit the comment. Yes, and also we can delete the comment. There will be a message warn you that you want to delete it. If we go back to the profile page, we can update its password.
Just so you know, the new password is new password. Not very safe, but just a different password.
Sure. Yeah. So when we log out and log back in with the old password, we'll have a warning that the old password does not work anymore. But when we log in with a new password, we will be successfully logged back in. We can also delete users. From this page, you can see that with test user he has two comments, test comment 1 and test comment 2. But when we go back to the profile and delete this user, we can see that this user is deleted and all comments related with this user is gone.